Key to your food defense plan. Protecting your food products from intentional contamination is just as important as preventing accidental contamination. Remember to build a robust food defense plan. 1. Conduct a vulnerability assessment. Identify areas in your operations that are most vulnerable to intentional contamination, such as receiving areas, storage facilities, and production lines. Assess potential threats and prioritize them based on risk. 2. Develop mitigation strategies. Implement specific measures to protect vulnerable areas, such as restricting access, using surveillance systems, and securing ingredients and finished products. Ensure all staff are aware of food defense protocols and trained to recognize and respond to suspicious activity. 3. Create a response plan. Develop a detailed response plan for addressing incidents of intentional contamination. This should include clear communication channels, incident reporting procedures, and corrective actions to protect public health and your brand. Need help to develop a food defense plan? Book a strategy call with Felicia or call us at 1-236-513-2488.